Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a fairly easy Pokemon named Pidove. So let's start by drawing his beak and just a curve out to the front, and then a flatter line for the bottom of the beak going back, and then we'll curve out the base of the beak from this line down to the corner, and then it's going to go forward for the bottom of the mouth and then back up. Okay, let's give the edge some form by drawing another line just parallel. So next we've got this pink area that's right above the beak, just a couple circles. Draw a line this way, and then another half circle or oval on the other side. Alright, so then the eye will actually be out here, so let's make that fairly large, and there will be a highlight right at the upper left and a pupil. I'm going to switch over to my thicker marker and color in the pupil and start drawing the top of the head. So from here it's going to go down, go over to the top of this pink area. So from here forward, and then up here there's a tuft of hair, so just 3 tufts. And now we can continue the back of the head going down here. So we'll step in a little bit and go down. Alright, so next we'll draw the chest from here, go forward and start heading back. And then right here will be the one wing, which isn't extended, and just a big oval shape at first. So let's start here, go across, big oval, and then we're going to continue this to the tip of its wing right here. So continue this, and then this will come back. So we've got a little bit of a fold line here to show that this tip of the wing is behind this front part of the wing. Next we'll draw the outline of the other wing, which is actually extended. So we'll extend it way out here. Draw a line first that goes to the body. Okay, and then we'll draw the first feather back, and then draw some more feathers, getting smaller as we get to the bottom here. So we'll step up a little bit from the end, draw a curve back, another one a little bit smaller, and another one smaller still, and finally the last one, and then just bring that line back to the body. Okay, we can finish this line now by just bringing it back and up. Next we'll draw the legs. We'll draw the upper part of the leg first here by drawing a slight curve, and same thing with the other leg. And now we'll go ahead and draw the feet. So from here we're going to go forward, go down first and then forward, and the back, go down and go back, and we're going to draw the first toe, go back forward, and then form the talon, and then a line that forms the toe. Okay, so then this part goes forward further, and then another talon, just pointed soft triangle, and then let's draw the other foot. So this just goes down and over to the other foot. Let's go forward and down and draw that talon, and on the other side just in front then will be another, and the talon and the bottom of that foot. So next I'm going to draw the detail of his chest. So it looks like a heart shape here in the front, comes to a point and then goes back to the wing. And these are the detail lines, so I'm using a thinner Sharpie. This line continues on then this way as a curve that goes the opposite way, and there's a stripe that goes down this wing. So right here we'll just draw a shallow line and then another one right next to it, getting slightly further away from that line. Okay, got a spot here in the back of his neck. Let's draw the leading edge of this wing, and I'll just make that just a little bit thicker like that, and then a line that goes from up here as a curved line, and then a big curved line that goes to the chest. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to thicken some of these other lines here, like the beak, but not quite to the thickness of the outlines of the body. And I just want the beak to stand out a little bit from the detail around the top of the beak here. And I want the eye just a little bit thicker, the outline. And a couple shadow lines like under the body here, as well as the wing here with my really thin pen. And a cast shadow underneath the legs here on the feet, and that's it. This was Pidove, another Pokemon. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.